Inventor who inspired George Stephenson, the British inventor known as father of railways. He was the primary railway engineer and inventor of the rockets. The most famous early railway locomotive, it won the competition in 1829. Okay, so you have to learn it. The Wizard of Menlo Park. In 1877, the Thomas Alva Edison invented the phonograph, a machine that could replay record sound. Edison also made an electric bulb of the type you see now. They invented many other things. People began to call him Wizard of Menlo Park. Plants have life. Jagdish Chandra Bose proved to the world that plants are living beings. He showed that plants have a pulse and they feel pain, warmth, etc. He worked on many other things too. He was the first person to make a wireless remote. People always want to fly. They built a hot air balloon and Grimson. These did not have engineer. Then in 1903, brother Orville and Wilbur Bright made a bright fire flying. It has an engineer and carried a pilot. It became the first such aircraft to fly. So now if the match the pair, you have to invent. Okay, here invention is given and inventor's name is given. You have to match the pair. First of all, we'll always start from one. William Thomas Gray Morton. He invented anesthetic. Dr. Jonas Salk is invented polio vaccine. Edward Jenner is invented polio vaccine. Edward Jenner is invented smallpox vaccine. Carl is invented four blood groups. Rene Nieke is invented stethoscope. Okay, so Waldmar is invented cholera vaccine. Wilhelm Conrad is invented X-ray. Adolf Fick is invented contact lens. Christian is invented heart transplant. Okay, so you have to learn the names. Now money, next topic is money. Read the following statement and write if they are true or false. The Reserve Bank of India has printed currency note with a demonetization of 5,000 and 10,000 in 1938. Yes, it is true. Second one, Pakistan stamped India rupees note with the government of Pakistan until they had enough of their own currency. After partition, in 1947, yes, it is true. Every rupees note were 15 languages. Yes, have you seen note language in the note? Yes, but it is not 15, it is false. The image of Mahatma Gandhi on the currency note is hand-drawn? No, it is false. After independence, the first bank note printed in India was a 10 rupees note? No, it is false. In 2007, Indian coins were into Bangladesh to melt and made into razor blades? No. Yes, this statement is true. Image of Mahatma Gandhi that we see today on currency note has come into existence in 1986. It is false. The rupee symbol was designed by D. Uday Kumar in 2010. Yes, it is true. The Paper Currency Act was passed in 1864. It is false. There was an actual storage of coin in Kolkata in the year 2007. Yes, it is true.